Hello there! So, who are we anyway? And why do we do the things that we do? And what can you expect of our channel?
Hi, I'm Leon.
And I'm Miek.
I'm 35.
And I'm 29 years old. But most important, what can you expect of our channel?
Traveling adventures, Scotland, history, its nature, whiskies,
Culture, people,
castles,
music,
and whatnot.
yeah, everything that this beautiful country has to offer, and we want to discover every inch of it together with you. So we're now walking the West Highland Way on the beautiful banks of Loch Lomond.
So why did we do what we do? We wanted to try a different lifestyle. Instead of working the 9 to 5 and having the mortgage and doing everything that you are supposed to do.
We wanted to escape the rat race, and so we did.
So we sold our house, bought a camper van and started traveling.
Her name is Peggy, and we're gonna show you what she looks like.
So, welcome to Peggy.
Living room, kitchen, big fridge, bathroom, bedroom, whiskey stash.
So one of the reasons that we chose this specific camper van is that we both like our music. Storage was a must. My wife sings, but I drum.
So, fellow YouTubers, I hope you like this video. This is us. This is Bonnie Scotland. If you want to follow us and see us explore this beautiful country, just hit the subscribe button. We also have an Instagram account. You can find us in the description below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna enjoy the view. Bye.